Voila, perfect circle. Hello everybody, we have this really deep corn that we have on the bottom of the foot. And it's been, has it been 3 months or 4 months since we last saw you? I think around that time. So this comes back all the time. And it looks quite big actually, and deep. So we just took off the first layer and you can see that underneath of it. And this tissue is called keratin tissue. It's hard skin. And it builds up over time as the body's protective mechanism. So I'm just going to go around it. So how do you know, if you're not cutting into skin, what you feel is keratin, hard keratin tissue is more waxy and hard to scalpel blade versus kind of soft tissue is quite squishy to cut into. So we want to just kind of go around this. While you're going around, you want to lift it. You want to lift that 15 blade up. Down, lift it up. Go around it. Lift it up towards your face. Yeah, like that, so that you have like a cone shape. Kind of lesion. You just ease it in again, pull it away, and then you get that kind of car skin that comes off. So now we're just going to continue with a gouge blade. Again, it's kind of like pick and pull out. Take the time, these things can be uncomfortable. I'm using a number 1 at this very moment. 1 or 2 should be good too, but 1, because what we know is that there's another one inside that's quite deep, so a 1 would be better to use once we go in to it. So it's very compacted. Second layer. Corners are deep. Got multiple layers. I'm happy with that. Well done. Voila, perfect circle.